The power of budgeting, how planning today builds wealth tomorrow. Money is one of the most powerful tools in our lives. Whether we like it or not, it plays a huge role in shaping our opportunities, experiences, and security. But here's the catch: money, if not managed wisely, can slip through our fingers, leaving us with financial stress and uncertainty. That's where budgeting comes in. Many people think budgeting is restrictive or boring, but in reality, it's the opposite. Budgeting gives you freedom and control over your financial future. Today, we'll explore how the power of budgeting can transform your financial life, laying the foundation for building wealth tomorrow. The purpose of budgeting: a roadmap for success. Imagine trying to drive cross-country without a map. You'd probably get lost, take longer routes, and waste time and fuel. Budgeting is like that map for your financial journey. It provides a clear path to follow, ensuring that you're not just spending aimlessly, but moving closer to your financial goals. The first and most important benefit of budgeting is that it creates awareness. You get a full picture of how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money goes. It's easy to feel like money just disappears each month when you're not tracking it. With a budget, you can see exactly what happens to every dollar. Next, budgeting helps you prioritize. When you create a budget, you decide which areas of your life deserve more financial attention. Instead of spending money on things that don't matter, you focus on your goals, whether that's saving for a vacation, buying a house, or starting an emergency fund. Finally, budgeting encourages discipline. It teaches you to say no to unnecessary expenses, which frees up money for the things that truly matter. This habit of discipline doesn't just improve your financial situation, it can spill over into other areas of your life, like time management and goal setting. Building wealth, $1 at a time. A budget isn't just about surviving paycheck to paycheck. It's a powerful tool to build wealth, even if you start with modest earnings. The secret? It lies in how budgeting enables savings and investments. When you allocate a portion of your income toward savings, you create financial security. An emergency fund can cover unexpected expenses, so you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans that drag you into debt. But beyond that, regular savings can grow into investments. The sooner you start, the more you can take advantage of compound interest, where your money earns interest on itself, leading to exponential growth over time. Let's take a simple example. If you save just $100 a month and invest it at an annual interest rate of 7%, you'll have over $12,000 in 10 years. In 30 years, that amount balloons to over $120,000. That's the power of starting small but staying consistent. Budgeting also helps you identify areas where you can cut back, giving you more money to invest. Instead of overspending on daily lattes or impulsive online shopping, you can channel that money toward retirement accounts, stocks, or mutual funds that grow your wealth over time. Debt, the silent wealth killer. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to wealth building, and budgeting can be your greatest ally in managing it. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, being in debt often feels like carrying a financial weight on your shoulders. Without a clear plan, it can spiral out of control, with interest piling up and limiting your ability to save or invest. With a budget, you can tackle debt head-on. By allocating extra money toward your highest interest debt, you reduce the overall amount you pay in interest. Over time, this accelerates your journey to becoming debt-free. Budgeting ensures that you don't accidentally overspend while you're trying to pay down your loans, making it easier to balance debt repayment with other financial goals. More importantly, budgeting helps prevent you from getting into unnecessary debt in the future. Once you've learned how to live within your means, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans to fund your lifestyle. This keeps more of your hard-earned money in your pocket rather than paying it to creditors. How to build a budget that works for you. Now that we understand the power of budgeting, how do we create a budget that works? Many people struggle to stick to a budget because it feels too restrictive. The key is to create a budget that's realistic, flexible, and tailored to your life. Start with your income. The first step is knowing how much you earn after taxes. This is your starting point, the total amount you have to work with every month. Track your expenses. For 1 month, track every penny you spend. Include everything from bills, groceries, and gas to those smaller expenses like snacks or subscriptions. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Categorize and prioritize. Divide your expenses into categories: essentials, housing, utilities, groceries, non-essentials, entertainment, dining out, and savings or investments. Then, prioritize these categories based on your goals. For instance, if saving for a home is a priority, allocate more toward that goal and cut back on non-essential spending. Set goals. Set specific financial goals, such as saving a certain percentage of your income or paying off a credit card by a certain date. This gives you something concrete to work toward and keeps you motivated. Review and adjust. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should reflect that. Each month, review your spending and adjust your budget as necessary. Flexibility ensures that you don't feel constrained by your budget, making it easier to stick with long-term. The emotional benefits of budgeting. While budgeting is often seen as purely financial, its benefits go beyond dollars and cents. One of the most overlooked aspects of budgeting is the emotional peace it provides. When you're in control of your finances, stress and anxiety about money start to disappear. You no longer worry about how you'll pay for an unexpected car repair or whether you'll have enough for rent at the end of the month. This financial stability improves your overall well-being, giving you more mental energy to focus on other areas of life: your career, relationships, and personal growth. Budgeting also gives you a sense of empowerment. Knowing that you have a plan for your money, that every dollar is working toward your future, brings confidence and security. You're no longer at the mercy of your finances, you're in control. Budgeting today for a wealthier tomorrow. In the end, the power of budgeting lies in its ability to transform your financial habits and future. It's not just about managing expenses or cutting back, it's about building wealth, reducing debt, and creating a life of financial freedom. Budgeting gives you the roadmap to achieve your financial goals, whether that's buying your dream home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. It's never too late to start. The sooner you begin budgeting, the more you'll benefit from the compound effects of saving and investing. Planning today builds the foundation for the wealth and freedom you'll enjoy tomorrow. So, don't wait. Grab a notebook or open a budgeting app and start mapping out your financial future, $1 at a time.